A vertex of an equilateral triangle, a vertex of an equilateral triangle is 1, 2, is 1, 2, and the opposite side is and the opposite side is x plus y is equals to 1. Then find the equations of the other sides. Then find the equations of the other sides. So this is the question. Solution. See, so this is y-axis and x-axis. So the given line is x plus y is equals to 1. So this is the given line. So now a vertex of an equilateral triangle is some point, some p 1, 2. This is the vertex of an equilateral triangle. So now a vertex of an equilateral triangle is 1, 2, and the opposite side is x plus y equal to 1. This line is x plus y is equals to 1 line. So now find the equation of other two sides. A vertex of an equilateral triangle is 1, 2, and the opposite side of that equilateral triangle is x plus y equal to 1. Means suppose, so these are the other two sides. So triangle is equilateral triangle. That's why these two angles are 60 degrees. So this angle is also 60 degrees. So it is being asked to find these two sides, this side and this side. Suppose this is P, this one is Q, this one is R. Therefore, the question is what? The PQ side and PR side equations are being asked. So the same concept, that is the point x1, y1 is 1, 2. Here alpha is equals to what? 60 degrees. Alpha is equals to 60 degrees. What is theta? So this line is what? Y is equal to minus x plus 1. Here tan theta is equals to minus 1. Therefore, corresponding theta is equals to 135 degrees. So theta is equals to 135 degrees and alpha is 60 degrees. So then required lines are what? Therefore, required lines are, therefore, from above result, required lines are y minus 1, y minus 2, sorry, y minus y1 is equals to tan of theta plus or minus alpha. That is 135 degrees plus or minus 60 degrees into x minus 1. These are the lines. So therefore, one line is with plus sign, that is required lines are y minus 2 is equals to tan of what is this, 195 degrees into x minus 1. This is one line. So another line is y minus 2 is equals to tan of 135 minus 60 degrees. 135 minus 60 degrees is what? 75 degrees. Yes or no? 75 degrees into x minus 1. Now this is equals to y minus 2 is equals to tan 195 can be written as tan 180 plus 15 degrees into x minus 1. So this is y minus 2 into, this is tan 75 degrees. This can be written as tan 90 minus 15 degrees into x minus 1. Therefore, this is equals to, therefore y minus 2 is equals to tan 180 plus theta. So tan 180 plus theta is what, in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Tan positive, tan remains tan only. Therefore, tan 15 degrees into x minus 1. This is y minus 2 into here 90 minus first quadrant. Therefore, tan becomes cot, all are positive. Therefore, this is just cot 15 degrees into x minus 1. Now, tan 15 degrees is equals to what? Tan 15 is 2 minus root 3. This is x minus 1. Next, cot 15 degrees is equals to what? Tan 15 is 2 minus root 3. Therefore, cot 15 is equal to 1 by 2 minus root 3, that is 2 plus root 3 into x minus 1. So these are the required lines. So these are the required lines, means the sides. Therefore, PQ side and PR sides are these. Now, how tan 15 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3? We will see. So tan 15 degrees is equals to what? Tan 45 degrees. In trigonometry, we have seen already. Tan 45 minus tan A minus B formula. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. 1 plus tan A tan B, that is equals to tan 45 1 minus tan 0 0 tan 30 1 by root 3. 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. That is equals to what? That is tan root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So if you multiply and divide by root 3 minus 1, then what you get? This is root 3 minus 1 whole square by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. If you expand, then what you get? A square plus b square minus 2ab by 2. 2 take out common, 2 into 2 minus root 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. That is 2 minus root 3. Yes or no? So tan 15 degrees is equal to 2 minus root 3. Yes. Now cot 15 degrees is equal to why 2 plus root 3? Because cot 15 degrees is equals to 1 by tan 15 degrees. 1 by tan 15 degrees is equals to 2 minus root 3. So multiply and divide by 2 plus root 3. Then what you get? This is 2 plus root 3 by a square minus b square, that is 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1, that is 2 plus root 3. That's why cot 15 is equal to 2 plus root 3. So this is the solution. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Next, one more question we solve on this concept, last question. So the question is, next question, third question, find the equations to the straight lines. Find the equations to the straight lines which passes through the origin and are inclined at 75 degrees to the line x plus y plus root 3 times y minus x is equal to a. So this is the question. So solution. So here the equations of the straight lines which passes to the origin. So this is origin. The equations to the straight lines which passes to the origin and inclined at 75 degrees with this line. Suppose this line is Suppose the line is this one. So the equations of the lines which passes through origin and inclined an angle 75 degrees with this line. Therefore, this 75 degrees and 75 degrees. So given line is x plus y plus root 3 into y minus x minus a equals 0. So this is suppose a and b, then we need to find OA and OB equation. This is the rough diagram because I have not taken any x and y axis. It's a rough diagram only. Therefore, straightforward. Therefore, require now what is the now here alpha is what? Alpha is 75 degrees. Now what is tan theta from this one? So directly tan theta is equals to what? If you write this equation by rearranging terms, x plus y plus root 3y minus root 3x minus a equal to 0. So you can write this line equation as 1 minus root 3 into x plus 1 plus root 3 into y minus a equal to 0. So this is the line ax plus b of the form ax plus b plus c equal to 0. Now what is the slope of the line? Tan theta is equal to minus of 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3, because the slope of the line ax plus b plus c equal to 0 is minus a by b. Therefore tan theta is equals to now root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. This is tan theta. So now the required lines are, therefore required lines, that is OA OB lines. OA OB lines are required lines are point is 0 comma 0. Therefore y minus 0 is equals to tan of theta plus or minus alpha into x minus 0. That is nothing but y is equals to tan of theta plus or minus alpha into x. Now this is tan theta plus or minus alpha. Tan theta plus or minus tan alpha over 1 minus plus tan theta into tan alpha into x is equals to y. These are the required lines. Now see, now what is tan theta, what is tan alpha? So tan theta is equals to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Tan alpha is tan 75 degrees. So tan 75 degrees. So now this is equals to y is equals to tan theta, that is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 plus or minus tan 75 degrees. Otherwise we calculate tan 75 degrees and we substitute. Therefore tan alpha is equals to what? Tan 75 degrees. Tan 75 degrees is nothing but tan 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. That is tan A plus tan B by tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. So this is equals to tan 45 is 1, tan 0 tan 31 by root 3 by 1 minus tan 45 is 1 by root 3. Therefore root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. This is tan alpha value. Therefore here you put tan alpha value root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 over 1 minus plus tan theta is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into tan alpha is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 into x. Now with plus sign, if you take plus sign you will get one line equation, required line, that is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 over 1 minus of root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 into x. So another line is, second line is y is equals to root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 minus of root 3 minus 1 by minus of root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 over 1 plus root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 into x. See, now if you observe the denominator, so here in denominator this root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1, root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1 cancel. Here also cancel. Therefore here you left with what? So this numerator you write as it is, you need not to simplify because here denominator is becoming 0 over 1 minus 1, that is 0 into x. So here what is happening, the slope of this line is undefined. Yes or no? Slope is undefined means this is undefined. The slope of the line is undefined means this line is vertical line. One of the line is vertical line. So vertical line which passes through what? 0 comma 0. The vertical line which passes through 0 comma 0 is nothing but y-axis only. Yes or no? So vertical line which passes through what? 0 comma, because slope is undefined and line passes through 0 comma 0 and the vertical. Therefore the line equation is what? Y is equals to x equal to 0, y axis. Yes or no? That implies one vertical line and passes through 0 comma 0. That implies y axis. That implies x equal to 0. One line is x equal to 0. Now come to this one. Here this is equals to, second line is y is equals to, here root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. LCM is 3 minus 1. Root 3 plus 1 cancel. Here you will have root 3 minus 1 whole square plus, minus. Here root 3 minus 1 cancel. Root 3 plus 1 whole square over here 1 plus 1, that is 2 into x. So that is y is equals to, here a plus a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2 root 3 minus of here 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3 over 2 over 2 into x. Now here 2 root 3, 4 cancel. Here you left with what? Minus 4 root 3 by 2 into 1 by 2. That is, this 4 and 4 cancel, that is minus root 3. So another line is what? Y is equal to minus root 3 into x, into x. So the two lines are, one line is y-axis, that is x equal to 0. Another line is y is equal to root 3x. These are the two lines. Clear?